Yes, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. This is Bilal Suleman from Solution company um, based in Rawalpindi. Today I'm just giving you a short video about Amazon seller add-on. That's the extension use for some purposes. Let me just let you know what is this all about. So just start right now. I just go to the right of the page, and over there I just go to the settings, and below that extensions. Now I just go open Chrome web store over there, and over there I just wanna type in Amazon seller add-on. That's the extension use for some purposes, which I'll let you know later on. You just need to click on that one and just add to the Chrome extension added. Now you just cross it. Now on the new page, you just click on the extension, just pin this extension on the top bar of the page. Now I just go to the Amazon right now in front of you. So I just choose two products for you. That's a random products. I just giving you guys example today. So over there, once you type in or once you open a new Amazon, you can grab any product by your own choice. Now I just click on that extension, which does shows me different things. Let me just show you. Now if you can see on the top of the bar, this extension shows me how much stock got different people which engage with this product. Now you can see the quantity. Over there. Now if we want to see how many FBA FBM sellers in this product, you can see by your naked eyes. Now there's almost round about 1 6 1 2 3 4 5 round about five sellers, and they all are FBA. Now there is no Amazon involved in this product. Now by using this extension, you can easily see out how many FBA sellers, FBM sellers, or Amazon involved or not. Now if I can click on FBA, I can see over there like you can also see the quantity as well, like 3 2 2 25. These are the stock available with these FBA sellers, and there is no FBM seller involved in this specific product. Now I can also see how many brands, how many sellers sell this product on new conditions. So this is the conditions, they all are selling on new basis. There is no, obviously they are also selling used items as well. So by using this, you can see how many FBA FBM sellers involved in this specific product. And this is a specific extension give you example. And if we want to see over there as well, we can also see how many FBA FBM. That will takes a lot of time, so this extension will help out for you. I go to the second of the specific product, click on extension. Now I just want to see how many FBA FBM and is it Amazon involved or not. So let me check just for you. Here we go. So the stock available with that specific product is 1000 right now. You can see Amazon warehouse. So if you can see below of the page, Amazon involved in this product, like Amazon selling this product by itself. Also, there's one FBA and two FBM sellers as well. So if I can see only specifically FBA sellers, so I can see only the one, and this specific seller got three quantity, like three of that in its warehouse, and also Amazon 1000. If I can want to see FBM sellers, so there's two FBM sellers. So we can see like Amazon involved in this product with the quantity of 1000, also one FBA and two FBM seller. So by using this specific Chrome extension, you can easily see how many FBA sellers and FBM sellers involve in specific product, and you can also see the quantity they got in their warehouses, and you can also see either they are selling products in new or used basis. So this specific extension will help out in future for you. Thank you so much. Thank you.